Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video is composed of things that I tinkered with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. This video should contain tips and tricks of things that I've learned throughout the year. Now, I only plan on leaving this video posted for about 30 days. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching. 70, 98 model. Turbo airbox, mass airflow sensor still there. Somebody got the seats. Good job. Automatic. Has the info switch. Should have the trip computer in there. So, here's the S70. If you need parts, come and get them. I'm going to come back and get these clips here for my friends. Trunk was locked and closed from the outside, so I had to get through the trunk and unlatch it. Looks like somebody came out to the car I pulled that transmission from and pulled the clutch. The flywheel stuff is still there. That's strange. These clutches are normally worthless. And trying to contaminate my coolant system with his AutoZone special stuff. Anyway, we're doing his heater core. As you can see, the bottom of that is dark brown. It's got a sticker over there. It's probably original. It's leaking so bad that there's coolant on his side panel. See that green coolant? Improper stuff. Anyway, we're going to get this swapped out for him. Get back on the road towards Cincinnati. That should not be in a car longer than 30 days after you own it. It's got a 1996 date. 03/09/96. So anyway, we'll get this out of here because of course it's leaking. It's got coolant all down in the crevices there. Coolant leaking out the top of it. Coolant roulette, people. Trying to blow up his engine. Nothing better to do. Anyway, the first thing we did on this car together was that roof ladder. Man, that thing still looks good. Only got one spot up there where Ando's elbow bumped it and got it dirty. I think I'll probably talk him out of this before he takes it to the crusher. Spectra cores from Amazon, probably got it $3 for $1 or something. The gaskets on these things are a lot smaller. It's probably going to be a point where it's going to be leaking. So, try to get these things from Swedish car parts. At least the gaskets are the right size. I actually kicked off today going to my chiropractor in Little Rock, Arkansas. I could feel that my neck was stiff. Couldn't hardly look over my shoulder. Driving, trying to look back, stuff like that. And every once in a while, I got a nerve tingling down my right leg. Every once in a while, not that often. Try to stretch a little bit, get that out. So, I hadn't been to this chiropractor probably about 3 years. Something like that. Went in there. My hip was out of place. And there were several things going on in my upper neck that they had to adjust. He's not a bone crusher. He doesn't jump on you and crack bones and twist and turn all that stuff. He's got this little instrument he puts in his hand and he squeezes it and it clicks. And it nudges your spine and the wings on that and your hip bone and stuff like that back in place. It's just a little knock and a nudge. I'll find out the name of that and post it at the end of the video, but if you feel any discomfort, any tightness, you probably should have a chiropractor check you out. Wouldn't be a bad idea to go once a year. It only cost me like 45 bucks. I feel a lot better. I actually thank God about 8 times since I walked out of his office. So let's finish up with this heater core. So Ando actually ordered heater core seals. See that black one? It's probably the right size versus the orange one. The size to me looks a lot bigger. So we're going to put One on the right, other on the left. Hopefully it won't leak. We'll see. You want to talk about not fitting? Here's the hole that the screw goes through. Right there. This daggone thing don't even got a hole for the screw to go through. How do they expect you to secure it? And this is what I'm talking about, man. Get the right parts, or I'm just gonna drive by. Look at Ando's car puffing around.
Been sitting.
My car sit 3 months. It fires right up, ticks a couple times, and comes up to speed. I wonder if your fuel pump's going bad. The tool that my chiropractor that I like to go to is called the activator method. Has a little tool that he puts in his hand and pushes a button and it clicks. It nudges your spine right to left, or however you want to call it. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.